back to Ash's Treasure. Today I'm going to show you a quick meal we can make in the crock pot. Actually, we got the idea from Taste of Home casserole, slow cookers, and soups. It's a egg noodle lasagna, but we use an eggless noodle, and it's just real simple. It's sauce, noodles, meat, and cheese. And you just layer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Ash's Treasure. And this is our kitchen. And we're some things that have moved off.
They fell out the window because today is warm here, which I don't like. But yeah, it's kind of windy, so they got blown out the window.
Okay. Well,
Sauce, noodles,
what's the need, Timo?
sauce, and then cheese.
Yeah.
Did you put the meat?
Yes, I put the meat in there. My director. I love her to death. I love her always. And then we just keep layering noodles, sauce, meat, and cheese. Let it cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. But if you go late, you can always do it and it'll cook for 2 hours. So we'll let this, I'll keep doing this, and then when it's done, I'll show you all the finished product. And thank you for coming back to Ash's Treasure. Y'all have a good day. Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, and hit the bells for notifications. Y'all have a good day. Later.